Alrighty, I went to the doughy land today. Guess what we are making? You can't guess, but we'll figure it out when I'm done. I have my flour, my milk, 1 egg, some salt, some sugar, some baking powder. That's about it, and some chocolates. I don't know, I just used this because this is what I got. I want them to turn the color, but we'll see about that. I really want them to become chocolate. Hopefully they do at some point. You bet. I am mixing backwards. Let's turn it forward. Absolutely smelling good. Absolutely. Absolutely being the factor. You know it. Who doesn't like chocolate? I love my chocolate. I rarely eat it, but I do love it. Now that we mixed this, I'll put it in the refrigerator for a few, and then we'll see what I'm doing. See you later. Oops. Alrighty. Looks stable, and stable we love. Let's go. Test, test, test. Perfect. Alrighty. I got back my dough in a bag, and this we're gonna do today. Yep, we're gonna put just a little to give it space. It looks runny, but we're gonna work with it, right? Look what I'm making, guys. You still are guessing, huh? I am still guessing myself, but it's gonna be made. Ooh, boy. Let's give them space, but also try to fill the tray. Papa. My God, come on. Okay. I think I made very, very soft dough. I hope it works out pretty well. Okay. This is how they look like. I'll still make this cookie. Looks like cookie to me. What do you think? Now. And then I'll put them in here like this. Okay, look at that. We got this. They turned out just fine. They're still hot. However, I still gotta put more chocolate so it stays on it. I hope it does. I'm really into chocolate today. Yep, that's what's up. As they cool down, they cool with it. Hopefully so. That's my hope. Whee! A little chocolate does not hurt. I know it went all over the place. But yes, we achieved the look. When I'm craving chocolate, I try to make chocolate things. Yeah, that's a good start. Bon appetit.